Hi everyone, welcome to math tutorial sessions. Today I want us to do addition and subtraction of fractions. I want us to do addition and subtraction of fractions. I want us to have a look at the following examples. Calculate the following. Number 1 is 1 over 4 minus 2 over 3. And number 2 is 1 over 2 plus 3 over 5. Right, these are the examples, these are the problems that we need to do. Okay, right, let me erase here so that we will get enough space to work on. Okay, I said number 1 is 1 over 4 minus 2 over 3. I have a very easy method that I use in order to get LCD. Since you know that we need to get LCD of 4 and 3, I always find it's very difficult for my learners or for my student to get an LCD. So I came up with a very easy method that I use to get an LCD. I use a table like this. I just draw a table like this. A table like this. This table is going to help me. Okay, I have 4 and I have 3 as my denominators. Then I will start by multiplying by 1. 1 multiplied by 4, that is 4. 1 multiplied by 3, that is 3. I move on to 2. 2 multiplied by 4, that is 8. 2 multiplied by 3, that is 6. I will multiply until I get a number that is common here and here. A number that is common on both sides. Okay, now I can see that there is no number that is common. Now I need to move on and multiply by 3. 3 multiplied by 4, that is 12. 3 multiplied by 3, that is 9. Because I haven't seen any number that is similar on both sides, I move on to 4. 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. There we go. Now I have 12 here and I have 12 here. Therefore, our LCD is 12. Now it's easy for me to attack this problem since I have an LCD now. What I need to do now, I will write my 1 over 4 minus 2 over 3. Now you need to ask yourself which number you need to multiply by 4 in order to get 12. That number is 3. So now you know it's 3. You need to multiply the numerator and the denominator by this 3. This is what you need to do. You need to say 3 over 3. You need to multiply the numerator and the denominator by 3. And again, you need to ask yourself which number you need to multiply by 3 in order to get 12. That number is 4. Then you need to multiply by 4 the numerator and the denominator. You will have 4 over 4. Now you need to do the calculations. 3 times 1, that is 3. 3 times 4, that is 12, minus 2 times 4, that is 8, over 3 times 4, that is 12. Now we have 12 as our LCD. Now we need to say 3 minus 8. 3 minus 8, that is -5. So this is our answer. Our answer is 5/12. Okay, now let us move on to example number 2. Okay, our example number 2, we have 1/2 plus 3/5. Okay, same thing. We will write our table. We put 5 here. Doesn't matter whether you put 5 this side or you put 5 that side or you put 5 that side. And then you put 2 here. Then we'll start by 1 multiplied by saying 1 multiplied by 5, which is 5. 1 multiplied by 2, that is 2. Okay, now moving on. We'll have 2 times 5, that is 10. 2 times 2, that is 4. Okay. Move to 3. 3 times 5, that is 15. 3 times 2, that is 6. Now, still we don't have similar numbers this side and that side. Move to number 4. 4 times 5, that is 20. 4 times 2, that is 8. Okay, we still need to move further. 5 multiplied by 5, that is 25. 5 multiplied by 2, that is 10. Oh, there we go. We have 10 here and we have 10 here. Therefore, we have our LCD, which is equals to 10. Okay, now we need to ask ourselves which number we need to multiply by 2 in order to get this 10. Then now we need to multiply. We will have 5/5 multiplied by 1/2 plus. Again, you will need to ask yourself which number you need to multiply by 5 in order to get this 10. That number is 2. You will have 3/5 multiplied by 2/2. Remember that if you multiply the denominator, you also need to multiply the numerator. You multiply the numerator, you multiply the denominator. 5 times 1, that is 5/5 times 2, that is 10, plus 3 times 2, that is 6/5 times 2, that is 10. Then we'll have 5 plus 6, that is 11/10. 11/10 is our answer. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Please click like on our videos, subscribe, and comment on the comment section. Thank you. Goodbye. I will see you next time.